Host, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting episode of Kitchen Essentials. Today, we have something truly special for all the breakfast enthusiasts out there. We are here to talk about the Oster Belgian Waffle Maker with adjustable temperature control and non-stick plates. Get ready to indulge in mouth-watering waffles that are guaranteed to elevate your breakfast game to a whole new level. So, let's dive right in. Upbeat background music. Host, the Oster Belgian Waffle Maker is a game-changer when it comes to creating delicious, fluffy waffles right in the comfort of your own home. Its adjustable temperature control feature allows you to customize the level of crispiness and browning you desire. Whether you prefer a soft and golden waffle or a crispy, browned masterpiece, this waffle maker has got you covered. Guest, that's right, host. The adjustable temperature control is a fantastic feature. It gives you full control over the cooking process, ensuring that your waffles turn out just the way you like them. Plus, it's super easy to use. You can set the temperature using a simple dial, making it convenient for both novice and experienced cooks. Host, absolutely, guest. And let's not forget about the non-stick plates. The Oster Belgian Waffle Maker features non-stick plates that make waffle removal a breeze. No more struggling with sticky waffle batter or worrying about your waffles getting stuck to the surface. The non-stick plates ensure that your waffles effortlessly slide out, leaving you with perfectly formed waffle squares or rectangles, depending on the shape of the waffle maker you choose. Guest, that's a game changer, host. With the non-stick plates, cleaning up becomes a breeze too. You won't have to spend hours scrubbing away burnt-on batter or dealing with stubborn residue. Just wipe the plates with a damp cloth or sponge, and you're good to go. It's a real time saver, especially on those busy mornings when you're rushing to get things done. Host, absolutely, guest. Time is precious, and the Oster Belgian Waffle Maker understands that. Now, let's talk about versatility. This waffle maker allows you to experiment with different recipes and flavors. You can go beyond the traditional waffle batter and get creative. How about adding some chocolate chips, berries, or even bacon to your waffle mix? The possibilities are endless, and this waffle maker gives you the freedom to explore them all. Guest, oh, host, you're making my mouth water with all these delicious ideas. The Oster Belgian Waffle Maker truly elevates the breakfast experience. And don't worry about portion sizes either. With this waffle maker, you can easily create large, Belgian-style waffles that are perfect for sharing with your family and friends. Host, that's right, guest. Sharing is caring, and breakfast is always better when enjoyed together. The Oster Belgian Waffle Maker is designed to make multiple waffles at once, so everyone can enjoy a warm and delightful start to their day. Guest, and let's not forget about the sleek design of this waffle maker. It's not just a kitchen appliance, it's a statement piece. The stainless steel exterior gives it a modern and elegant look that will seamlessly blend into any kitchen decor. Host, you're absolutely right, guest. The Oster Belgian Waffle Maker combines functionality with style, making it a must-have appliance for any breakfast lover. Soft background music. Host, unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the Oster Belgian Waffle Maker with adjustable temperature control and non-stick plates. If you're looking to upgrade your breakfast game or surprise your loved ones with delightful waffle creations, be sure to check out this amazing appliance. Guest, that's right, host.